Hi everyone, this session is about single linked list, and in this we are going to learn about what is node and what is head and how to create a linked list. Linked list is a collection of linear elements, but the elements are not in contiguous memory. Let us see what is a node in the single linked list. In single linked list, node should consist of minimum of two fields. The first field can be called as a data field and second field can be called as a link field. In the data, we can fill the data like integer, float, double, etc. And link should consist of address of the next node. Let us draw some nodes for the linked list. In this diagram, there are four nodes are created. Each node consists of two fields, that is data and link. Let us give the addresses of these nodes as 100, 500, 250 and 400. Since the elements are not in contiguous memory locations, that's why we have given the addresses like 100, 500, 250 and 400. Let us try to fill the data field with some values. Let us consider it is of integer type 10, 55, 22 and 37 we have filled. And link field consists of address of the next node, so that the first node link field should consist of address of the second node. That means second node address is 500, so 500 must be filled here. The second node link field should consist of address of the third node. And third node address is 250, so that it should be filled with 250. Third node link field is consisting of address of the fourth node, and fourth node address is 400, so it must be filled with 400. And the last node link field must be filled with null because there is no next node. This is a very important point, that in single linked list last node link field must be filled with null. The fourth node address is 400 is stored in the third node link field. Third node address 250 is filled in the second node link field. And second node address 500 is filled in the first node link field. Whereas first node address 100 must be filled in head. Head always holds the address of the first node. If some nodes are existed, the first node address must be with the head. If the linked list is empty, that means no nodes are existed in the linked list, head must be filled with null. Initially, when we are coding, the default value of head must be of null. There are two important points, that is, in single linked list, last node link field is null, and when there are no nodes in the linked list, that is linked list is empty, head should consist of null.